Namaskar. Today in this lesson, we are going to see the 20 agroecological zones of India. In the previous lesson, we have seen how the ecological zones, agroecological zones, agroclimatic zones of India are classified. Today, we are going to see the 20 agroecological zones in detail. You are all aware that the agricultural regions, forest regions and the livestock rearing regions of India are fully controlled by a series of interrelated geographic factors. They are the climatic factors, soil properties and the physiographic settings. Based on these three major factors, the land area of India is classified into several classes of regions and sub-regions. In addition to this, the length of the growing period of crops also are considered. The length of the growing of crops vary depending upon these factors and also the genetic characteristics of the crop grown. The length of the growing period is related to the moisture availability to the crops grown, which is controlled by those three major factors of agriculture. The agroecological zone is a land unit carved out of climatic zone correlated with landforms, climate and the length of the growing period. Agroecological zoning is the process of correlating the units of physiography, bioclimate, soilscapes and the length of the growing period. Each one of these aspects have a very wide number of classes and subdivisions. As we have seen that the Indian subcontinent exhibits a variety of landscapes and climatic conditions which are noticeable in the types of soils and vegetation. In the past, several attempts have been made to understand and classify the agroclimatic regions as well as the agroecological regions of India. The Planning Commission of India divided the country into 15 broad agroclimatic zones based on the physiography and climate. This we have already seen in the first part of the lesson. Based on the four parameters which have been explained so far, physiographic features, soil characteristics, bioclimatic features and length of growing period, let us see all the 20 agroecological zones, their distribution in India, their soil resources and the cropping systems one by one.